we're going, Dadus? See you in Las Vegas!
See you.
Last this trip, Lord. Going to the airport na po kami.
Yay!
Hi, Kuya! Hey! Hi, Daddy! Asan na? Uuna na naman yung isa. Uy, mawala ka dyan. Okay, let's go. Si Kuya. Kuya. Yay! Saan si Daddy? Here's Daddy. Excited yung dalawang boys, oh. Oh my God. May Kuya Lab-Lab. Touchdown, Las Vegas! Say hi, Dong.
Hi.
Sino natulog ng the whole biyahe? Sana all. Nagla. Okay, waiting for our luggage.
Hello!
Stop na. Hi! Uy!
Ulo nyo, grabe pila kaya dito.
Welcome! Naglalakad ng madaling araw sa Las Vegas. Buhay pa kayo, kids! Adali! Jetro, ha? Come on! Wow! Nice! Aray po. Good morning! Say hi, Mickey! Good morning, Bebe! Good morning! Say good morning! Good morning to our Mickey! Good morning!
Walang tulog dito. Atin kami tulog dito. Ano gobyerno? Paano last year? Mabait na siya kasi mag-check pa yan ng traffic. Last time nag-check pa siya ng traffic.
Hi! Hi! Hi, Daddy! Ah! Sorry! Welcome to Hoover Dam. Alam ko yan. Sorry na. Hello. Hi, Poggy. Wait, where are you? It's too high. Careful. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Hi guys. Ayan na. Hi Jovi. Jovi. Hi, you know. Ganda ng quality ng ano. Ganda sintas ng araw eh. Hi kuya. 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 Hi. Kuya. Hi. Come here, Jairus. Hi, Dong. Look here. Hi. This is so cute.
Wow. ganda. Yay! Nice. Jetro! Hello! This is... Welcome to Arizona. Oh my goodness. Hi dong, love love. Sure, dance. Dance ka nga. Dance. Dance. This is... Oh, wow. That's nice. You got the moves, baby. Parang may nagbo-boating. Yeah? Did you see it? Oh my God! What are you doing there? Oh my goodness.
Kawawa naman si Julie. Ipag-movie mo na lang sila Julie.
Thank you for being the reason I listened to the wala ka marinig hanggang sa Saturday.
Hanggang sa atin. Mas masaya pa sa dyan minsan.
Hi. There's a lot of ducks over there. Oh. Right there. Hi. Lamig. Bye, Bea.
You think this will do the job?
Okay, welcome to Lake Mead. Mead. Hi. Welcome. Oh gosh, ang lamig. Careful, careful. Careful, let's go. Oh, sorry, baby. Si Jetro. Hi! Ayun daw ah. Yay! Say hi there! Hi! Cute! How kuya? Willis! Lakad kayo, Willis!
Pang-date lang ah. Parang ano lang to, plaza ah.
Nice! Dito tayo pa make sure insan. Kasi may pangalan. Hi! Lakad ka, Besh. Pogi ba? Look here! So cold. It's cute!
Can I go in the car?
Okay, let's go. Hello. Oh, yeah!
What is that?
Yeah, they are looking.
Is that a catfish?
Yeah, I saw it. Sayang, dilim na kasi.
Light it up!
Si Daddy ang may light. Ayun na siya, naku. Hi!
That's catfish.
Oh, okay.
No.
Hi, loves. Lamig. Very cold. Ha? Oo. Windy kasi. So nice.
Hi guys. Hi. Maliwanag pag ano, video. Hi, Beang. Hi, cute.
Ikaw din, bilis.
1, 2, 3. Bisa pa dyan. 1, 2, 3. Ano mo? Sige, baka mahulog. Walang damit yan. Walang damit.
Okay, look at here.
Say hi! May pailaw ka talaga. Lakas.
Pwede kumuha.
No!
That's so nice! You know, fishing.
Wala kaming food eh.
Kaya nga.
Kay popcorn.
Whoa, look at that one.
Saan na?
Whoa.
Oh, what was that?
Walang dati ha?
Tilapia, oh, laki.
Laki ito oh.
Dami.
Okay na ba yan, boy?
Fortune teller. Naniniwala ba tayo dyan? Okay, for tryout.
The pirate here to be giving you ancient wisdom for the taking. Pay attention. Men of genius are admired. Men of wealth are envied. Men of power are feared. Only men of character are trusted. And of course, it never hurts to be giving your friends a bribe or two. For example, give me your bribe and I'll give you your fortune.
Kulit. Okay.
Madadaanan natin yung 7 mountain tomorrow morning.
Oh, yes. Maganda dun kasi insan no, colorful. Sama kami! Iniwan yung mga asawa. Ha? Ang gapo. Akin na maingat. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna get pizza. Day 1 tour